Hello, friends. Good morning. Today's point of discussion is trend analysis in Excel. How do we do that and why it is done? It is just, for the visualization, just to check what's the trend, what's the performance, could be of the system, could be of an employee, could be of a product. So let me quickly give you an example. So here I have some users. You see, these are the users, Suraj, Amit, Mohit, Rajan, Mitali, and Nita. And these are the performance from January to October month. So we'll quickly do the trend charts for them. So if you see here, if you go to insert, and if you see here, you create the sparklines. The trend chart is nothing but sparklines. So we'll quickly create the line chart for them now. So we'll select the cell, select the line, and we'll provide the data range. We'll just select the range here and do the enter. I click on OK. You get the value here. And now if you want to edit it, you can edit it. If you don't want to edit it, just quickly scroll down, Control G, and you have the trend chart line for everybody. So if you just want to edit something, you have this graphs here you see here. You can make it this way, whatever you like. You can select the high point and the low point in the charts. You want to edit it, you can increase the rates or however you would like to do it. Now, let us quickly do the trend chart, column chart for them now. Now, let's do insert, click on column. Again, we will select a range here, do an enter here. And now you see, so easy. I'm just select everything, Control D. The same way, you want to select the high point, you want to select the low point, and this is how it's done, guys. So please subscribe my channel and have fun, guys. Let's learn and explore Excel. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.